Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can display a contact form in Popup. So for example, I want to show a contact form when I go here and click on this menu tab. So first of all we need to install a plugin. You can go to website dashboard and after that you can go to plugin sections, then install a free plugin. You can search for pop-ups for Divi. Then you can install this plugin and activate it. After that, now we need to go in Divi theme builder, then edit global header. Okay, here you can see this one is the header for the website. Now let me add here a new section, then click on regular, and then let me add one column row. Now let me add contact form, this one. So this one is the default interface. And now let me go here in section settings, then here you can see pop-up, then click on general tab, then enable pop-up, and here you can add pop-up ID. For example, let me add here contact form 1. After that, let me copy this ID and click on tick button, then click on three dots and click on save. Now we need to add this ID on this menu item. So let me go back appearance, then menu, scroll down, and here you can go to custom links. You can also add new item from here, and let me add here this ID number and then click on save menu. So now let me go back, and after that now we need to save these updates and then go back and click on all changes saved. Now let's go and reload this page. Now let me go here and click on contact button. Now here you can see contact form is here. In this way you can easily display contact form in Pop.